Welcome to my humble abode, your go-to channel for skincare. I'm not a professional and I don't claim to be one. I'm just a girl who is crazy over skincare. So in today's video, we are going to discuss the fact that you overdid your actives, you did not do sufficient research regarding those actives, and now your skin is sensitive and dry and you want to know what to do about it. I cannot tell you the amount of DMs that I get that go along the lines of, I've used so many actives on my skin, I don't know what's going on, I've been using actives on my skin and my skin is extremely dry, please can you help me, Tay? If this is you, then you have most likely impaired your skin barrier by overdoing those actives. Please don't skip the video straight to the solution. I ask kindly that you pay attention to what I'm about to explain to you so that in future you're not coming back to watch this video. Just give this video a chance by watching the entire thing. The information that I'm about to give to you is very crucial. Your issue is that you did not do enough research on those actives and that's why you're here. So let's not repeat it. Just listen to what I need to say and then we'll get to the solution and looking forward, okay? So what is a skin barrier? Obviously, this is what you impaired. So try to understand what it is so to avoid doing so in the future, all right? So your skin barrier is the outermost layers of your skin. Your skin barrier defends against constant environmental threats like environmental pollutants that cause free radicals. So free radicals come into your skin to destroy the good stuff on your skin. They get onto your skin via UV rays, air pollutants, smoke. All you need to know is that they are there and they get onto your skin and they want to feed on your skin's collagen and your elastin. And as your collagen and your elastin deteriorate, you start to see premature aging of your skin. So that's when you're starting to get those wrinkles. That's when you're getting the dry skin. Basically, your skin is losing its plumpiness and its youthfulness. So your skin barrier helps to defend against those free radicals. It also helps to protect your body's critical water balance. So when you have a damaged or an impaired barrier, the symptoms are dehydrated skin, of course, an itching skin, an inflamed skin, skin that looks dull, and it may even literally start to feel rough. Layering a rich moisturizer is not going to fix your skin barrier problem. Firstly, you need to identify what are you using or exposing daily to your skin that is causing your barrier to become impaired. Are you exfoliating every day? Are you exfoliating far too often? Are you using far too many actives in your routine? Take the culprit out of your routine and give your skin barrier some time to repair itself. Yes, sis, stop the serums. Go back to a simple routine and back to the basics of your skin barrier. The basics of your skin barrier include the fact that your skin is made up of 50% ceramides, 25% cholesterols, 15% fatty acids, and the rest are humectants that make up the natural moisturizing factor of your skin barrier. Load your skin with those ingredients in that ratio, and this will help your skin barrier, of course with the patience of time. So loading your skin with a rich moisturizer or Vaseline isn't going to repair your skin barrier because such products don't contain any lipids of its own. So it can't actually assist in replenishing the lipids on your skin. Unless that moisturizer has that golden ratio of 50% ceramides, 25% cholesterol, 15% fatty acids, and humectants in it, then that moisturizer is going to do the things for you. But just a normal simple moisturizer where it's like glycerin and fatty alcohols, etc., not really going to target exactly what you need. I know that in the beginning I say that I'm not qualified, but I am super duper qualified to discuss skin barrier, because if you are a day one, then you know that this girl had damaged her skin barrier. So this is my quick story. I learned about chemical exfoliation and I put that on my skin and I chemically exfoliated my skin. And the thing about chemical exfoliation is that it almost always gives you instant gratification. It removes those dead skin cells, which reveals a brighter, better you. It addresses texture on your skin. It deals with even tone. When I discovered chemical exfoliation, it was like, ah. And obviously I got addicted to that instant gratification. So I was like, I want more. I need more. I need more of this. My skin is just looking so good with this girl. I need to be pumping more and more on it. And then I over exfoliated my skin. And the next thing I knew, I'm putting products on my skin and my skin is burning, sis. And I'm like, how are these people formulating shit that ain't like burning my skin, and my skin is stinging, and all the sunscreen filters are stinging my skin like it's nobody's business. People are putting things in these products that are just in the meantime, sister, my skin was so sensitive and so sore because I screwed up the layers that are meant to defend me against free radicals, against sensitivities. Not to mention my skin was dry and rough. So when I discuss the solutions, I am discussing it from a personal point of view. Me and my skin, we have come a long way. We are glowing. I can now put on sunscreens and my skin doesn't sting. I can now go back to those moisturizers and my skin no longer stings. My skin is not as sensitive as it used to be, and I'm about to give you the solution. So there's 3 tried and tested products that I've used. The first is the Skin Functional Liquid Moisturizer. So this has 2% of ceramides and GABA in it. Remember the golden ratio: 50% ceramides, 25% cholesterol, 15% fatty acids, and then the rest is humectants for your natural moisturizing factor. The liquid moisturizer is formulated to include all of that. It may not be in that perfect golden ratio, but the majority of it is ceramides, and that's what we want to pump into your skin. We want to get as much ceramides as possible. So firstly, get yourself the Skin Functional Liquid Moisturizer. I do have a 15% discount code if you're interested. I will put in the description box below. I make no money off it. It's literally just to save you Mandelas. Then the second thing to add is Squalane. Squalane is the shelf shop version of your natural skin's Squalane. So Squalane makes up about 10 to 12% of your skin's natural oils. Squalane is a plant-derived version of it. And having a product that can match 10 to 12% of your skin's natural oils, you definitely want that. You want to include products that contain ingredients that have a lot of skin identical products. You can get 100% derived Squalane from Standard Beauty. Alternatively, you can get the rescue oil from Skin Functional. They have 80% of Squalane, but what I like about their formula, it also contains other oils, other fatty acids, and other cholesterols in there. So definitely get your hands on the Skin Functional Rescue Oil and the Skin Functional Liquid Moisturizer to include in your routine. And remember, a cleanser that is extremely mild and gentle on your skin, not a cleanser that has sodium lauryl sulfate, because that is a harsh cleansing agent that strips the moisture off your skin, and in the state that you were in with that dry skin, you ain't got no moisture to give for free. So definitely look at a cleanser that is effective at cleaning, taking off the dirt, but does not strip the moisture from your skin. My favorite one is the Real Barrier Cleansing Foam, which brings me to the next product suggestion. There is a Real Barrier mini kit, and in the mini kit is the cleanser, an essence, 2 moisturizers, and a face mist. I have a detailed video that I will list in the description box below on this mini kit, on its ingredients, and how I suggest you use it. So if you want the whole shebang, I suggest that you get the mini kit from a Korean reseller. I normally buy them from Seoul of Tokyo. That mini kit lasts for like 2 to 3 weeks at max. So if you can get your hands on 2, definitely do that. And then aid it with the Skin Functional Rescue Oil as well as the liquid moisturizer. Use that for 2 to 4 months consistently, and I can guarantee that you will 100% see a difference in your skin barrier within those 2 to 4 months. So going forward, if you have not messed up your skin barrier and you're actually just watching this video because you want to learn, but you also want to start actives in your routine, deal with one skin issue at a time. Find out which is your most severe problem and target that problem directly. Don't go now and put 4 serums onto your skin because niacinamide is for dark marks, alpha-arbutin is for hyperpigmentation, azelaic acid is for a lot of stuff. Then you've got retinol in the afternoon and you've got vitamin C. On top of that, you are using a chemical exfoliation daily. If that is you, please reduce your usage before you come back to watch this video again because you didn't listen and now it is you with an impaired skin barrier. Madam or sir with the damaged / impaired skin barrier. Going forward, forget about your actives for the next 2 to 3 months. Solely focus on repairing your skin barrier. Remember, mild cleanser and then products that are loaded with ceramides, cholesterol, fatty acids, and humectants. You can add one active back into your routine, I would say maybe after 3 months, and deal with that problem properly. Choose one active that is going to address that problem and stick to it until your problem is sorted, and then move on to your next severe problem. For example, if you naturally have very oily skin, then exfoliate twice a week, and on your non-exfoliating days, use niacinamide to regulate the sebum production on your skin. And then remember information like it takes 8 to 12 weeks to start seeing proper improvement in your skin. For example, with using niacinamide. So wait for those 8 to 12 weeks and longer before you decide to change your routine, or before you decide to include another active into your routine. This chopping and changing products can take you back to a damaged and impaired skin barrier so easily, and I am speaking to you from an experienced point of view. So now you know how you damaged your skin, you know what to include to fix your skin, you understand the time frame that you need to be patient with. Go forth and find your glow again. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps with the algorithm and getting my videos seen. I hope that wherever you are making good choices, that you are staying safe, and that you are well. And I can't wait to see you in my next video.